Hello guys, this is another unboxing video, and today I'm wearing the Timex Q LCA reissue, and yeah, in this box there's another reissue, probably the most sought after reissues in these days, so I'm very excited about it. So let's do this with my trusty case opener. Yeah, there are some feeling in the box. They wrap up this thing pretty well, as you can tell. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So the moment of truth. Yeah, this one. This is the company I accidentally found this model, and yeah, obviously it's the Seiko reissue. There's a guarantee, some instructions in Hungarian language. So let's see it. Yeah, this is the Seiko 5 Sports. I'm not sure that I'm lucky, or I'm just a fool of these companies to buy another reissue. But yeah, I probably this one is was the last Seiko 5 Sports reissue available in Hungary. So yeah, maybe we should say I'm pretty lucky to get this one. And yeah, within three days. So I ordered this one in Sunday, and now it's Wednesday, so 3 days. I'm not even have to wait about this watch. Okay, so let me see it. Yeah. Oh my god. Can't believe I bought this watch. Yeah, there is no plastic in the bracelet, so we can try the rigidity of it. Yeah. I can't describe how much I love this case design and this dial. Yeah. So let me put this on quickly. So I change the watch. See that the bracelet is rigid enough. Obviously I have to resize it, but it's not a pin and collar system, so maybe it's not a big problem. And yeah. This is how it look like on my 6.5-inch wrist. It's already running. The date is not correct, but who cares? Let's see the case back and the number, which number I get with this watch. So limited edition. Number is as you can see, it's here. It's 10,013. So for those who are wondering, the production volume of this thing, yeah, they are already in the 10,000s. So if you see these watches, pull the trigger immediately, because there is no second volume or third volume. They sell already the 10,000s of this watch. Let's check the bezel. It's a friction bezel. Obviously it's a K version, so it's not the Japanese, it's the global version of this watch. Yeah, pretty nice action. Not too loose, not too tight. Check the winding action. I heard something about that you can wind the watch in this way only, so with your finger tip. But yeah, it's doable, but not a satisfying feeling, of course. So it's winding now. Not sure you can hear it. Setting the time. The date setting, but first let's see the time. So it's hacking 4 hour 36 movement. It hacks. Yeah, setting the time is also pretty difficult. You can only do it with your fingertips. Like this way. I'm setting the date. Let's see which language they use with this version. Yeah, it's a German date. Dienstag, Mittwoch. So let's stay with the German language. Yeah, beautiful watch. Yeah, this bracelet, maybe I change it, but first I will resize it and trying out how it will fit my wrist. I don't like rigid bracelets with no articulation, so but we'll see. And of course I will do a review on this one. So thank you very much for watching, and yeah, stay tuned for the review and also the review of the Citizen NY0040 and the CA53 calculator watch. So have a nice day, guys. Bye.